The Bitcoin bounce this year is being closely watched by investors. Craig is here with his common sense. Craig is with VestGen. He's the co-founder and a wealth advisor. If someone invested $1,000 in Bitcoin 10 years ago, that investment would be worth an estimated $360,000. It sounds enticing, but it comes with some major risks. What can you tell us?
Well, Angela, it's both trendy and controversial when it comes to digital assets or the potential for digital asset investing. But we can't look past the fact that Bitcoin itself is now 16 years old. Again, it was born in 2009 based on the concept of blockchain. And 16 years later, it's still here. It's notable for several reasons. The first thing I think about is you now have not one, not two, but 14 separate states in the Nifty 50, both red and blue states, who have put forth some form of legislation for what I call domestic adoption relative to their treasury reserves. In addition to that, you have several foreign countries who have done the same. Those are just two very notable pieces that have come around as of late. And Angela, I've got a couple more that I think our viewing audience would want to hear about.
What about legislation to make Bitcoin and other digital currencies more mainstream?
Well, yeah, there's a new accounting rule that's on the books from the FASB relative to how companies do mark-to-market accounting for their Bitcoin holdings or digital asset holdings. And yes, I'm so happy. We just had the 1-year anniversary of 11 Bitcoin ETFs. And Angela, 4 of those 11 were the most successful ETF launches in the last 20 years. That means mainstream and institutional investors are certainly taking notice and putting monies or investments where their interests lie. And away from that, Angela, you can't get out of the news. The president did sign an executive order to really create that presidential working group on digital assets. I think that's noteworthy as well. So when you bring all of this together, there's an incredible confluence that's happening right now beneath the surface that is trying to more legitimize the space of virtual currency, digital assets. And that's why so many people are discussing Bitcoin in the current market, because it is, of course, the largest cryptocurrency that people can get involved in. There's a different spot for anyone who wants to participate, and participation is also easier now that there are exchange-traded funds available for the general public. If you want to learn more, connect with me. GetRetiredStayRetired.com. That's GetRetiredStayRetired.com. And let's discuss whether or not participating in some level of virtual currency is correct for you and your financial plans.